All right, Nathaniel Pacina,
Yes, Your Honor, we're good.
if you come forward, please.
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, you're on that side. So we're here for PTD. Has everything been signed and completed?
Yes, we put it in the application. We're waiting on a result.
Okay. Norma,
Yes, ma'am.
I need a reset for PTD.
July 16th.
All right. And are you currently in school? How old are you?
19.
All right, so make sure you make plans on what you're going to do with your life. What are you up to?
Well, I'm working right now. I do roofing and putting fiber.
Oh my gosh, in the heat of the day. Well, here's the thing about those jobs. I know that the pay is probably well,
Thank you.
but since you're only 19, you need to ask yourself, do I want to move up in this area or do I just want to stay doing this? And I always tell people every occupation there is, we need people to do that. If that's your dream job and you're happy with it, continue. But if it's not and you want to move up and do different things, then put yourself in a position where you can do that. Go to a trade school, do something like that, okay? Do you have any children?
Yeah.
All right. Well, just continue working, okay?
All right.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
All right.
All right, Brianna Owens, and then we'll take up the other matters. Cindy, you ready?
Yes.
Court is calling 2026 CR 002-999 State versus Brianna Owens. Could I have parties announced?
Gary Check for the defendant.
And are you Miss Owens?
Yes, ma'am.
And is this an application?
No,
All right, probation, no application. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Owens, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We waive.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Here's to waive abandoned count one, PTD solely on count two, and also waive an abandonment motion.
Any objections?
No objection. You understand that, right?
Yes.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
The state is proceeding on count two. That's possession of controlled substance penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was sane at the time of the offense?
She is, Your Honor. And she was.
Ms. Owens, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain agreement with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count two. Punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. There's a $1,000 fine. There are no applications. They're taking in consideration 2026 CR 002-997. And there's $120 restitution to the Bexar County Crime Lab. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, any such motions?
There are none, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor, state offer states exhibit one and all attachments.
No objection.
State you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Full way PSI, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just to follow the plea bargain, please.
The court is going to follow your agreement, sentence you to 4 years in the prison. There's $1,000 fine, time and money to run concurrently. Taking consideration 2026 CR 0022997. There's to be restitution of $120 to the Bexar County Crime Lab for testing. There's to be no contact with Juan Arizola, Arizola. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, so here's the thing. How old are you?
I'm 39.
All right. So you're gonna have to start making some decisions, because now if you have another felony, depending on the type of felony, your minimum is gonna be 25 years. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So start making better decisions, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
And if there's a drug or alcohol issue with you, when you're released from the prison, there are plenty of places that you can go to. And if you can't find a place, let me know. I'll pick up the phone and call somebody, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
But
Christopher Medellin.
President Judge. I conferred with Brandon. There's an unindicted ag robbery charge
Mhm.
that I think is going to control. Brandon said he sent an email to, it's a 701 case. So he sent an email to the intake. Yeah, I'm going to file a motion for examining trial to see if we can expedite things, but that's kind of what's in control right now. So we just ask maybe a 30-day to monitor the other case, and I'll try to make contact with the intake attorney as well.
Okay. Ms. Ferguson, I need 30-day reset.
Worked for me, Judge. Thank
And
you.
are you on the other case?
I'm off the list now, but I'm sure I'm on those right now.
All right, Norma, can you make sure he's on that case?
Yes. Are there 2 at-large cases?
Yes.
If I'm not, you can, I see really qualified
Oh,
court-appointed
no.
lawyers here, Judge, much more qualified than me.
Oh, he jokes. All right, we'll see you back on the 13th.
Thanks, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, now, who's next?
Yeah. And page 4, 2 down.
Christopher Johnson. All right, State, were you able to tender an offer?
Judge, I'm still going through some items, but I have tentatively discussed something with defense counsel, but if I could have one more discovery, you said that would be appreciated.
All right, I'll have you all discuss matters off docket. I'm going to set the plea deadline date. Norma, give me a date for plea deadline date in 45 days.
Yes, sir. That would be July 27th.
All right.
I will be out of state still,
Oh, that is so true. When will you be back?
August 10th.
All right, Norma, set it after August 10th.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Can
you, ma'am.
The 13th,
I'm very heavy that day. If you could do it the day before, it's fine.
August 11th?
That's fine.
All right, so we'll be back on August 11th. On that day, you need to let me know whether or not you've reached an agreement with the state. All right, thank you. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. You're welcome. Julie Beers.
Judge.
And where's your client?
client is not here, Your Honor. This is an affidavit of surety.
Mhm.
I've never had contact with her outside of the first jail visit we did, and they actually just, we can't get in touch with her.
Okay, well, I'm going to sign the affidavit.
Not a problem, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Have be excused.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
This case is set next Thursday.
Mhm.
I'm supposed to be at a CLE. I was hoping we could move it to the 29th or the 30th, which is 2 weeks from then on either the Monday or the Tuesday. I have spoke to the prosecutor. There's a couple things in discovery that they're getting ready for me that the victim just gave them very recently.
All right, Norma, are you able to move this to the 29th?
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're
You'll have a great day.
All right, you too. And you'll inform your client?
I will absolutely inform my client, Judge.
All right.
I've already texted him this morning saying we were doing this.
All right, okay, thank you.
Okay.
Sierra Diaz.
She's not here, Judge.
Your Honor. Counsel the truth from this.
All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 004858 State versus Sierra Janelle Diaz. Can I have parties announced?
Ray Lopez from Ms. Diaz.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 9:35 a.m. The defendant has not made an appearance. Deputy Laura, did you make an announcement?
Yes, Your Honor, I did. Negative contact.
All right, defense, have you had any contact?
I have, Judge. Last week told her about today's court date. I don't know why she's not here.
All right, state.
Name Western and Bond Court.
All right, the court will issue a judge's warrant and remand your client without bond.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
For Tobin, Semensky on page 8, who's down.
He's in custody like that. He's not out, but I think we can address this. We're gonna ask for more time. They don't have an answer yet.
I can have updates for the court. You don't have.
Okay. I know they're bringing him out, so let's see what's going on.
So for the restitution hearing, I did issue a subpoena to the treating facility and receive some receipts back. We did get the complainant connected with Crime Victims Compensation Fund. But for some reason, at this point, they only approved the complainant for 75%, and so that's still showing outstanding by Crime Victims Compensation Fund is $44,000. But I think we're in agreement to a reset to see whether they'll adjust the amount, because I don't want his client to be for the 44,000 and then Crime
And then
Victims
it's something else.
Compensation covers some of it, because
So-
usually in the past I've seen where they'll cover it and then the restitution that's owed is maybe like $2,000 or something.
Okay. Oh, and he's still doing jail.
Yes, Judge,
time
he's
as a
in
condition.
custody doing jail as a condition.
All right. And how long has he been in jail since?
Probably 45 days, if I had to guess, 45 days, around that.
All right, we are going to have him brought out because just in case he's released before the next
Okay.
setting.
Yes, Judge.
So how much time are you thinking you need?
I would say,
45 days?
yeah, that would be sufficient.
All right, Norma, I need a reset for restitution, 45 days.
It'll be July 27th.
Is that good for you, Charles?
29th is about, 27th is not good, but 29th is good.
Are you able to do the 29th?
Yes,
Probation on Samansky, that's being reset for restitution. So it'll be July 29th, and he's in jail as a condition of probation. So he should be released pretty soon. They'll bring him out. If you could just make sure that he knows where he needs to go to report to probation once he's released. All right, thank you. Ruben Kearns. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, where are we on discovery on this case?
Judge, I believe that I was recently appointed on these two cases, so I don't believe I have the discovery on both cases.
And you're on the unindicted case as well? The PF case?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. All right, so what we'll do is we'll recall this for discovery. Is 45 days?
That's fine, Your Honor.
Norma, if you can recall this for 45 days,
July 27th.
is that a good date?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll have you brought back on July 27th.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Angel David Castillo. Good morning.
Oh, yes.
Ah, buenos días. ¿Cómo está? So, both of you all are in trial. Do y'all need an extension of the plea deadline date?
No, Judge, I talked to my client. He's rejecting the plea and
Okay.
wants a jury trial.
All right, how long do y'all think this trial will last?
Maybe 3 days.
All right.
Best estimate, let's hope it's.
Well,
I think-
I've seen you both in trial. So Norma, add 20 days to that 3 days. I'm just joking. All right, Norma, they say it's going to be 3 days.
I can do, July 28th.
Is that a good date for everyone? State, is that good for you?
Yes, Your Honor.
It is, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll be back for jury trial July 28th. And how do you say jury trial in Spanish? Help me out here.
Juicio de jurado.
Yeah, okay, I got that. All right, we'll see you back on July 28th.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Destiny Angel Martinez. Arlene Gay.
I'm hiding in plain
Oh.
sight, Your Honor.
I was like, what? Where is she?
The new hairdo.
Oh, I like it.
Your Honor, we signed in court the pretrial diversion program, and I'll be scanning and sending it to that department.
Okay,
But she's been accepted. She just has to attend her orientation.
and that's PTD, correct?
Yes. Mhm.
All right, just follow through on everything they're asking of you, okay? Norma, I need a PTD date.
July 13th.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. Thank you. Michael Timmons. All right, so where's the discovery on the at-large case? Is that?
Judge, I talked to Brandon about it. It looks like he sent an email to the, I think it's intake, right?
Yes.
And I think they're still,
We're still
waiting to
charge decision on the at-large case, Judge.
All right, so when is that gonna be done?
I've emailed the intake prosecutor. I'll have the answer for the next time we're going to court.
All right, you want to recall this on the same date as the other case, the 28th?
yes, Your Honor.
All right, Norma, recall this for final discovery on the 28th?
July.
Yes. All right, thank you. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 006084, State versus Roque Escamilla Jr. Can I have parties announced?
Lindsay Shaw for Mr. Escamilla.
And are you Mr. Escamilla?
Ma'am, I am.
Pronounce your first name.
Roque Escamilla.
Okay, I can't roll the R's today. I don't know why. It's not working. All right, counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Roque, did you review, Mr. Escamilla, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Understand it completely.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
Yes, ma'am.
State, are you proceeding as presented?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Escamilla, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did review it and I do comprehend everything underneath it and it's.
All right, you're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Escamilla, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, and or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No,
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
no.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, I am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
I do understand.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I understand.
According to your plea, punishment is assessed at 93 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's to be restitution to Brian, Briann Thornton, Thornton, of $500. Is there an anticipation that this is a judgment satisfied?
Yes, Judge, and I understand, and the complainant has been advised that amount. Not paid or enforced.
All right. And does he have actual 90 days in?
He has 93 days, yes.
All right, thank you. All right, does everyone understand that to be the plea?
Yes,
Do you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, I do.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, I do.
Counsel, any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor, she offers states exhibit 1 and off.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review, you're welcome. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, off the record for a moment. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right. The court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 93 days in the Bexar County Jail on 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's to be restitution and deputy law. Because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that means, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
I understand, Your Honor.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
All right. Is this a relationship thing with the vehicle or this is complete stranger?
Stranger, Your Honor. And I'm leave it at that.
All right. So know better, do better. And if you're going to tell me that the car was loaned to you by someone else or by a friend or whatever, pick better friends. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Are y'all ready to proceed?
It's a continuation.
All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 2336 State versus Larietta Holmes. Could I have parties announce?
Megan Galloway for state.
Charles Bunk for Ms. Holmes.
And are you Ms. Holmes?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Larietta Nicole Holmes who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 2334 for the offense of injury to the elderly bodily injury on June 13, 2024 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 39 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant Larietta Nicole Holmes did then and there fail to attend and provide verification of sober support / alcohol anonymous / narcotic anonymous meetings for the month of April 2026 and violation of condition number.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
You waiving the ban under me.
Any objections to the waiver?
No, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 39, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 39?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 39 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, the agreement for the court's consideration is that the court denied the state's motion, extend the defendant's supervision an additional 6 months. Place her on the intensive supervision ASP tracked order that she attend intensive outpatient treatment bi-weekly urinalysis for 60 days and then proof of enrollment in her school program.
All right. Is that the proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, and her probation officer already has her school paperwork, so that part has been provided.
And do you all have any objections to the court reviewing the court summary?
No.
All right, so here's the thing. I don't know if you're ever going to be able to successfully complete this probation. You keep coming back and it's always something else and some reason why you can't complete this and some reason why you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing. So I'm going to give you a choice. These are your only two choices. Number one, I'll revoke you. I'll sentence you to 2 years in the prison. Or I'll continue you and I'll follow the recommendation. Which do you prefer?
To you and I follow the recommendations.
All right, so why are you not doing what you're supposed to be doing? Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Larry Holmes.
All right, why are you not doing what you're supposed to be doing?
Well, I did do the 4 of the SOB classes. My probation officer was going to give me a bus pass so I can continue going to the classes. But on the 6th, when she had me do the last UA, she didn't give me any information about it. She had
Okay, let me ask you this. Are you able to go to the grocery store?
sometimes
All right, so here's my thing. If it's important to you, you treat it like it's important. Probation is not obligated to give people bus passes. So are you telling me if you don't receive a bus pass, then hey, I just can't do this, I'm not gonna do this?
No, I'm not saying that if I don't receive it, I just can't do it.
Oh, walk.
Yeah, that's a long walk and I have no problem doing it.
No, I know it's a long walk. There are children in different countries. I was just watching a documentary. They walk 5 miles to school every day. And I'm coming to you as a person who, and your attorney will tell you, I didn't have a vehicle when I first started practicing law. I walked. Guess what? You know the distance in 100-degree heat in San Antonio from here to the Bexar County Jail, wearing a business suit in heels? Guess what? I did that. I didn't have a vehicle. Nobody was giving me a bus pass. I figured it out. And you are in a precarious position because you're looking at 10 years in prison. And your whole thing is, well, I didn't get a bus pass, but we find ways to do other things. We find ways to get extra piercings because every time I see you, there's a different piercing. We find ways to get our nails done, but we can't do the conditions. So I will follow your agreement because this is what's recommended by probation, and the state is following the recommendation, and they've negotiated with your counsel for this. So court will deny alternate amend conditions to include 6 months extension. And if you would have done everything, you would have been done with this probation this month.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. And because you haven't, you're still on paper. IOP and ISP, there's to be bi-weekly UAs for 60 days. And she's already provided proof of school, is that correct?
What I've been told, yes, Judge. We'll provide it again.
All right, that needs to be, proof of school needs to be provided. And Norma, set this for an update. Paul, so you're gonna be here the 2nd week in July?
Yes.
All right, set this for a status 2nd week in July, please.
Yes.
Oh, this, like the 7th, 8th, 9th? No, the week after.
Yes.
13th is, no, I get back on the 14th. 16th is fine.
All right, we're gonna come
No.
back.
I'm at MDN. Oh, I'm
Oh, no,
I'm out of town the 16th.
Okay. Which date?
15th, Wednesday.
Oh, we can do it that, or we can do it towards the end of, July.
30th is fine.
All right, so we'll put it for July
you, Judge.
30th. Sure. So you're gonna come back here on July 30th, and on July 30th, you had better have started on all of this and completed this. And if you need to bring with you proof of your school enrollment, just in case they say, hey, we haven't received it, because sometimes there are different probation officers, and you had better bring to me sober support meetings. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And so between here and now, I'm going to ask for sober support meetings 1 time per week. So you bring proof of that to me. And with the sober support meetings, they are all over the city. You can do them anywhere.
Plus,
Do you
it's
understand?
downtown.
All right. Is there anything else, something else you need from the court? All right. Thank you.
Your Honor.
Uh,
On probation and yours.
Sure, thank you. Sanga Satanawa. Hello, good morning.
Very well, thank you.
Hello. Good morning.
Just wanted to let the court know, Your Honor, this, when I printed out Odyssey for all my docket settings this week, he was not on there.
Okay.
And I was just getting ready to leave. I thought I was done and he saw me in the hallway and flagged me down. So I'm not technically prepared to
No. The
confer
only thing
today.
No, the only thing that's due today is the state is supposed to tender you an offer. State?
Yeah, and that's fine. I just haven't had a chance to look at video that I need to look at.
Okay.
Okay, but I will confer with them.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, just have a seat and we'll call you back up, okay? Thank you. All right, the party is on Edward Cerna. And probation, this is an application. And the thumbprint looks great.
Excellent.
You know what, Deputy Lord, now I feel the need to investigate, to find who took that thumbprint. What was a thumbprint that somebody took? It was just a smudge. I'm like, where's this? Who took this thumbprint? Do you know, Deputy Laura?
See how quick she volunteered?
Hey, it's not as easy as people make it out to be. All right, 2026 CR 004015, State versus Edward Cerna. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Raymond Martinez for Mr. Cerna.
Are you Mr. Cerna?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Cerna, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
I did indeed, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna need you to speak up so the court reporter can hear.
Yes, ma'am, I did.
All right, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Judge.
All right, Mr. Cerna, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 to 4 grams. That's a 3rd-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Judge.
Mr. Cerna, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
I do, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor.
According to the plea, there's $1,000 fine and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There will be 120 hours of community service restitution, the DOEP course, healthy relationships class, and regular random UAs. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
That you're up to exhibit number 1 and all tests.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, and is there any other outstanding cases after this?
Not that we're aware of, Judge.
Because they have a assault family household in here as well.
It's closed, Judge.
All right, thank you. All right, state, you may excuse.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. All right, everyone, please whisper. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We just asked the court to follow the plea agreement, Judge.
All right. How many children do you have?
2,
And what are their ages?
11, 13.
They live with you? Okay. And are you still with the person who's listed in the police report?
No.
Are you employed?
Yes.
What do you do?
Spray foam technician. Insulation of the attics and the houses.
Okay. Insulation is not as easy as people think it is, even though you have the sprayer now, and then you have to deal with the heat in the attic.
Yeah, that hose gets really hot. It's really hot.
Yes. I've done a little bit of everything in my life. All right. The court is going to sentence you to $1,000 fine that will be probated. 2 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Negative.
All right. We'll do a drug test today.
No.
Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. TAP evaluation out of custody. 120 hours community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once the parenting classes are completed, 60 hours of the community service restitution will be deemed satisfied. And there is to be, for the remaining community service hours, every sober support meeting that is completed, there'll be a deduction of 1 hour community service restitution. There's to be the healthy relationship course. And there's to be no contact with Carolina Cruz. You just need your identification with you, okay? Do you have your ID?
It's in the car.
But you have it? All right, if you don't, that'll be fine too. We'll just have them send a photo of it and we'll be able to identify you as the party. And let me see. Is there anything else that's required probation? All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, no.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
I did not. I
Okay.
was my attorney, so I'm very working. Okay. There's a chance I might come out with a positive.
For what?
Cocaine.
All right. So probation. We can still do the TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow recommendations. And we are going to do a referral to felony drug court. I would tell you with me, honesty is always the best policy, because when I ask people what they're going to be positive for, and they tell me, oh, nothing. Usually I'm asking that question because based upon my training, I already know we're going to have a positive for something. You understand? So you have 2 children, you work, you're working in the heat. You're going to have to get it together to be a good father to your children. You understand? Now, when you're referred to for a felony drug court, it's an intensive program, but be honest with them. Okay? You understand? Because they'll be able to help you and help you get back on track and be clean and sober. All right? Okay, good luck to you. Thank you. You can cancel the referral to, not the referral, but you can cancel his going to do the UA at felony drug court. He told me it's going to be positive. All right, Satanawa. All right, so what's happening with this case?
Good morning, Your Honor. I did confer with the state. They haven't had a chance to really look at the file either, nor have they looked at the video.
Okay.
It's an alleged attempt to take away the weapon of the officer. And just the police report sounds a little vague and doesn't sound like anybody got a real good view of this incident. So he's going to take a look at everything, and then we're going to communicate via email if that's all right.
Yes. Norma, recall this for the second week in July.
July 13th.
Yes.
All right, we're on July 13th. Okay.
All right. So once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's a plea deadline date. All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 009776 State versus Joey Garnica. Can I have parties announced?
Lawrence Rosa for the state.
Gary Chirac for the defendant.
And are you Joey Garnica? Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Joey Garnica who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 009776 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 2, 4 to 400 grams on November 19, 2024 for a period of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2 on or about the 3rd day of September 2025 in Veracruz, Texas. The defendant, Joey Garnica, did then and there illegally use marijuana and violated condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Statement waiver needed.
Any
No,
objections to
no,
the waivers? Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine? Do you understand that?
Yes. Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2? Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to deny state's motion, continue, alter, and amend conditions for set.
All right. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Joey Garnica.
All right. Oh, state you may be excused. So do you understand that you're looking at going to prison for 20 years? All right. Is marijuana worth that? So what's going on in your life? Why are you using marijuana? What's happening with you?
I had trouble. I remember my back, so it's
Okay. And have you seen a doctor about that or? And so are you in gang affiliated?
no.
Right. So what have you done on probation?
I did all my probation, whatever that's I paid. Passed drug classes, did community service.
All right. How long you been in custody?
Last month, from last month.
Okay. Could I see the court summary? Thank you. You anticipate.
Yeah,
before I-
good.
Thank you. And what's happening with the possession case?
You did time served in Atascosa County?
Yes, I was over.
And what was that possession for?
He had 4 pills of Xanax, is that what it was?
All right. And what is this with there being, do you have child?
Yes, I have 2 trials.
All right, so in this court summary, it says the officer stated that he could smell marijuana from the vehicle and noted that there was an infant inside.
Yes, for everything. Yes.
Were you smoking when the baby
No,
was in
no,
there?
I was not
I
smoking.
mean, well, that doesn't matter. Your car smells of marijuana, it stinks.
I smoked before, for night.
You shouldn't even be smoking.
Yes, ma'am.
You shouldn't be smoking before and driving a child around. And the mother of that child shouldn't even let you drive the child around when you are using. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And the mother of the child, do y'all live together?
Yes,
And how many children do you have?
I have 2.
2 with 1 on the way. Let me just tell you, before you think, after this child that's on the way, before you think of having any more children, number 1, you should plan to have children, not just, oh, look what happened. You need to get your life in order because right now your life is not in order. It's a bunch of chaos happening, okay? So probation, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to deny the motion, alter and amend conditions. And this is what I'm asking for in custody. To the clerk, he needs to remain in custody. There is going to be a referral to felony drug court. If not accepted, then, and probation, there's no need for an updated TAP evaluation.
That wasn't, that's when in custody.
All right, so in custody, there'll be a referral to felony drug court and a TAP evaluation. If not accepted in felony drug court, then whatever TAP says. And if TAP recommends inpatient treatment, then it will be inpatient treatment. Make sure that field visits are happening because they have young children in the household. So there's going to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. No possession of firearms or weapons. I'm sorry, firearms or ammunition. And when's the last time you were employed?
I still have my job at the moment.
Okay. And have you done your parenting classes?
Yes, I did. I already did it for probation.
All right, so I know your parenting classes didn't say it was okay to smoke marijuana and get in vehicles. Because children at that age, their brains are developing and you don't know what impact the smell of marijuana is having on the development of their brains, okay? Probation, is there anything else that's needed? Oh, yes. So there'll be in-person reporting. And I'm going to ask, we're going to do a status on him. And it will probably take, felony drug court will probably be able to see him, not this week, but we should know something by next week. So let's do Norma, put him down for a status. Let's do June 18th to see where we are. And if for some reason that's a date that felony drug court is doing their interview, we'll reschedule it.
Yeah.
And do not release until he has that status hearing with me. All right. Is there anything else you need from the court? All right. Here's the thing. You need to start making decisions that are good for you. And if you don't want to do it for yourself, you need to do it for your children. You understand? All right. Good luck to you.
You may not go to Saturday.
LaTanya O'Kane. All right.
I've confirmed with the state and my client, Judge, we weren't able to work out a meeting of the minds.
Oh, sometimes the minds don't meet. That's okay.
Yep.
Let me see. So while this is working, is this bench trial, jury trial?
Jury trial.
All right. Are there any motions?
There will be.
A motion?
We can run them with the trial.
So is any of it dispositive? I don't know why this is taking so long. Let me sign out and then sign back in. All right. So how long do y'all expect this jury trial to last?
3 days? 2 days?
2 days.
2 days.
All right. Norma, can you set this for the last week in June for a jury trial? All right, June 26th will be your jury trial. They'll bring you over dressed for trial.
Judge, my client has a question she wants to ask you.
Sure.
And I've informed her not to discuss the case itself.
Okay.
I just want to ask, why I'm getting, why am I getting another option?
What do you mean, option?
She's being offered one plea offer and not a bunch of different options, and she's upset about that.
Oh, the only people who really gives options is I give options. I know you may have seen people come up to me, they're on probation, and I tell them I'm going to give you 2 options, but you're not on probation. So the way the legal system works, your attorney negotiates with the state, and the state will tender an offer to your attorney. Your attorney will let you know what that offer is. You either accept it or reject it, or you may say, you know what, I don't want what they're offering, but I'll take this. That's called a counter offer. And then he'll take it back to the state and tell the state, hey, my client said they won't take this, but they'll take this. And then the state can either say, okay, we'll agree to that, or they'll say, no, we're only offering what we're offering. Otherwise, this is a jury trial. So that's the way it works. Yeah, so that's why you're not giving another option has nothing to do with your attorney. It's like the state has made their offer, that's their offer.
Okay.
All right, so they'll bring you back dressed for trial. The 29th.
We'll talk about it now.
All right, so it'll be the June 29th. And counsel, before you leave, if you can make sure that I have an acknowledgement of discovery.
Will do, Judge.
Thank you. Fernando Viramontes. Good morning. Oh, I'm doing great. I can't complain. Come up, sir.
Okay.
It's a beautiful day. The St. Augustine is doing nicely in front of the courthouse.
Well,
And I know that grass didn't cost $1 a square because it's gone up.
Putting a little on my lawn too, so I'm gonna find out.
Oh,
Like hamburger, Judge, it's rising.
I just decided to go grassless, helping the environment where I can.
Amen.
Oh,
Go ahead.
all right, so where are we on discovery?
We, Your Honor, I don't have discovery in the 2006 case. State's gonna provide it.
All right, there are
for me.
two 2006 cases. Is it the family violence case or the drug case?
It's both, Judge.
All right, who is on the drug case? On Fernando Viramontes? It's the state jail. Counsel said he has no discovery on that.
No discovery? Okay, I'll take a look.
All right, and then he has the assault
That family.
and the violation of protective order.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so you all need to make sure that he has the discovery on the violation of protective order as well. Norma, recall this in 30 days for discovery.
Is it the 29th, Your Honor, that you're calling?
No,
Because I'll
we're gonna
be-
see what she says.
Because I'll be in federal court on that day.
July 13th.
Oh,
Yeah. All right, we'll see you back
Perfect,
on
Judge.
July 13th.
thank you, Your Honor.
Lauren, we'll be back on July 13th. Thank you.
Thank you. May we be
Thank you.
excused, Your Honor?
Once he signs the reset form, thank
Yes,
you for
ma'am.
dressing appropriately for court. Samuel Zamaripa.
Long time no see, Judge.
Hi. So where is he? All right.
A little slow moving.
Okay. All right, today is plea deadline date. What are we doing?
Judge, we do have an offer, to talk to the state. There's some, pretrial issues. I did file a motion, in this
What
case,
issues?
community caretaking, stop search.
Well, so you all want a jury trial. Y'all are not coming to an agreement?
Judge, whatever the court's pleasure is,
No
we could,
gum chewing.
All
right.
I thought you were talking to prosecutor. Whatever the court's pleasure, Judge, I did file a motion to suppress.
All right, Norma, if you set this for is the motion to suppress going to be dispositive or no?
I have a question, Judge.
Yes.
If by dispositive, does he give up his right to appeal?
No, it's
Okay.
just, he's not going to go to jury trial.
Okay, then yes, happily I'll do that as long as we're not giving up right to appeal.
Oh, no, you don't give up the right to appeal on motions.
Okay, then we can do that, Judge.
All right, State,
Yes, Judge.
on Zamaripa, he says that the motion to suppress will be dispositive. So how long is it going to take you all to have your witnesses so we can figure out the day to bring this back?
We're gonna have a week to prepare.
All right. Norma?
Yes.
They need, state needs a week to prepare, and this is for a motion to suppress.
Judge or
Sure.
the 24th?
That's good.
All right, we'll be back on June 24th. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Judge.
Monica Wade. Are y'all ready to proceed on the MTR?
We are, Judge.
All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 8093 State versus Monica Wade. Could I have parties announced?
Megan Galley for the state.
Albert Chidas for Ms. Wade.
And are you Ms. Wade?
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Monica T. Wade who was placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 8093 for the offense of unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon on January 25th, 2024 for a term of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes.
State?
Violation of condition number 1 on or about the 9th day of March 2026 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Monica T. Wade, committed the offense of broad use of or possession of identifying information and violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? I'm sorry?
That's contest.
No, it's either true or not true.
True. And then violation of condition number 1 on or about the 5th day of March 2026. In Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Monica T. Wade, committed offense of forgery, financial instrument, and violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that?
Sure.
Did you understand by pleading true to 1 and 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, revoke you, sentence you to 5 years in the prison and a $1,500 fine?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 1 and 1? Court will find 1 and 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Is your work to revoke the defendant's community supervision, sentence her to a term of 4 years in prison, and the state will take into consideration clause number 2026 PF 10299 and 2026 PF 10300.
All right, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
And defense, is that the agreement?
That is the agreement, Judge.
Right. And you have the. And state, has she paid the $60 restitution? I'm sorry, probation. Has she paid the $60 restitution to, for testing? All right, the court is going to revoke sentence you to 4 years in the prison, taking consideration 2026 PF 10299, 2026 PF 10300. There's to be restitution of $60 to SAPD for testing. There is to be, and state, you may be excused. There is to be the therapeutic community. No unsupervised contact with minors. And there's to be no contact with Richard SALGTER. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Jacob Hernandez.
Judge, I've reached out to Mr. Hernandez.
He's here. Jacob Ryan Reyes Hernandez?
Yeah.
No, that guy stood up when I had said that name. Jacob Ryan Reyes Hernandez?
I have him as an issue, Judge.
Oh, okay. Well, could you make an announcement outside? Somebody stood up when I called his name. I'm like, okay.
And he hasn't responded to my calls, Judge.
All right. Court is calling 2026 CR 005-339 State versus Jacob Ryan Reyes Hernandez. Can I have parties announce? For the defense?
Alma Benavides for Mr. Hernandez.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 11:29 a.m. The defendant has not answered docket. Deputy Laura, did you make an announcement?
Yes, I did. Negative contact.
Have you had any contact?
No, Judge.
All right, state. All right, the court will issue a judge's warrant, remand your client without bond.
Just, I'll reach out again and see if he responds.
All right,
All right, thank you, Judge.
Luis Galvan.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
This is our second setting. We are requesting a short reset. My client's mother recently got out of the hospital after suffering a second stroke and is taking care of her. So we just want a little more time for her to stabilize. We're in discussion with the state.
All right, this will be your final plea deadline date. Norma?
Yes, ma'am.
If you recall this in 30 days.
That will be July 13th.
July 13th?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused, and make sure you're on time next time, okay? All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Jennifer Hernandez Trejo?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it's just restitution for this case? All right, so where are we on restitution?
Judge, we did reach out and we were never provided an amount at this time.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 0000744 State versus Jennifer Amber Trejo Hernandez. Can I have parties announced?
State.
Warren Wolf for Ms. Trejo.
And are you Ms. Trejo? All right, so we're here for restitution, hearing and state.
Yes, Judge, we reached out to the complainant for a restitution amount. One was not provided, therefore we need to be.
All right, restitution is waived. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you.
She's done.
Ashley Ball. All right, where are we on discovery?
So last week on June 1st, Ashley was found incompetent on the murder, so she's awaiting transfer to a maximum security facility.
Okay. All right, then what we'll do is, I know they have time stamps on theirs. So I'm gonna recall this for 120 days.
That'll be October 8th.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Robert Winters. All right, so what is happening on this case?
Judge, I I was supposed to, about a month ago, send a signed application to Mr. Winters. I did my best to do so, but it appears that that application instead went to an attorney, we both know. And so I have to kind of start over, this time getting his email address right. The computer insert, I don't know if you're familiar with this, and that's what happened. And I just didn't catch it.
All right, Nora, recall this for Monday. Yes, and so that application needs to be completed before Monday.
An application I could go through.
We have, it's done.
Yeah,
Oh.
I can confirm that the agreement was sent to defense counsel on 4/8 and it just needs to be returned signed.
All right, so we're gonna come back on Monday to make sure it's returned signed.
That works. That'd be great.
All right, Norma, we'll recall this for Monday. All right, once you sign the reset form, you excuse.
Oh, okay. Thanks so much. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, Lorenzo De Leon. And probation, there's no application. Court is calling 2026 CR 005049, State versus Lorenzo De Leon. Can I have parties announced?
Brandon Brady for the state.
David Andre Woodard for Mr. De Leon.
And are you Mr. De Leon?
Now,
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. De Leon, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Judge.
All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You're charged with possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 to 4 grams. That's a 3rd-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
He is, Judge.
Mr. De Leon, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the prison. Did you understand that to be your plea? State defense?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Good.
State any evidence?
Judge, you're up 6-1 and all attachments.
No objections, Judge.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments. After reviewing the same, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We're just asking the court to follow a recommendation.
All right, the court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. The court will recommend the therapeutic community. It doesn't increase the time that you're in custody, but it may help you with any other addictions you may have. I don't have the jurisdiction to place you in the program, so you'll have to request it as well, but they'll see in the judgment that I'm requesting it. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, what is happening with the other case?
It's being dismissed, Judge.
Okay. So you'll have it, because I know you have to put it in the judgment. Yeah. All right, thank you.
Will we be excused, Judge?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, good luck to you, sir.
Look now.